Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this 1967 Chevelle Big Block 396 4-speed front disc brakes. Look at that. Red, black interior, buckets. Real nice paint all the way throughout, sitting on 17-inch American racing wheels. All your front chrome headlights, all in good shape. Aluminum radiator, 396. Super clean inside here. All your hoses and belts, freshly tuned. Little high-rise Edelbrock on there, performance. Real clean. All throughout. Love the hood on the 67s. Lines up the way it should. Good gaps on the hood. All your badging's good. Paint's got a good deep red in it. Vent windows, of course. No paint flaws that I could see. Get off on an angle a little bit. It's got a great stance. All super sported out. Rear deck in good shape. Gaps out good. Rear chrome bumper, good. All your badging's good. A little chipped up in there. Nothing major. Take a look underneath. 12 bolt. Passenger recorder good. All your glass molding and trim is in real good shape. Gaps out really nice from the quarter to the door, fender to the door. No paint flaws. A little like mishap down here on one of the moldings that I see. Hi, Pete. Real nice all the way through. Wipers intact. Back seat looks great. Rear deck. Headliner in real good shape. Interior looks like new. SS center console, 4-speed. Clock, original radio. Dash is in good shape, no cracks. Sun visors. Got a little tack over here. 7 miles on the odometer. Looks like all your gauges are working correctly. Nice sound. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2. All by appointment only. Grab a pen, pencil. I'll give you my number in a minute. We've got over 170 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. They're all on our website, mgmclassiccars.com, with pictures, video, as well as full description. We have special financing with good credit, up to 180 months, minimum 10% down. If you have excellent credit, sometimes no money down. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured to your front door. If you have any questions on any of our cars, or you're interested in the 67 Chevelle Big Block, you can contact me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We have a full mechanical shop in our 4,500 square foot facility. If you like us on Facebook, we'd appreciate it. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll see more of these great cars coming on daily. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. You'll see me soon. Talk to you soon. Thank you, Earl.